Yo, what's up, guys? I'm making another YouTube video. Today, what we're going to be doing is raising the torsion bars just for shits and giggles. We're going to raise them up, make this thing squat just for fun. I have already gone ahead and sprayed it down with the good old WD-40. So now we're just going to walk back inside, put this WD-40 up, and get to work. Now, I don't know yet if I'm gonna time lapse this, but I might have somebody do it for me. Oh yeah, do need my sockets. I also don't know how I'm gonna film it. I don't know if I wanna put it on the outside or put y'all under the truck with me. I don't know yet. I might just put y'all underneath with me. Alright, I'm gonna sit y'all down.
To shut her down. Your girlfriend says, sayonara, boy, I'm skipping town. Hail Mary on the 4th touchdown. It's a winner. Mama tells you, hurry up, son, or you're gonna miss your dinner. It probably means one of those things to y'all when somebody says last call. But the last call that I heard was a big old thunderbird at the top of an old loblolly pine tree. He was hammering like John Henry. He had hens aplenty, but he just pitched down to the ground right beside me. Oh, he thinks he's bulletproof and 4 feet tall. Last call. Was to the sun, he was coming right to the gun. I could smell the grease in my old frying pan. I was reading him his rights, his future wasn't looking too bright. But that shotgun man, it had other plans. I was expecting to see that old turkey fall. Oh, but that ain't what I saw. The last call that I heard was a big old thunderbird, turning tail and putting up a storm. He was splitting trees like Paul Bunyan. He was almost off and running. He was kicking up leaves like he'd done this before. Right now he thinks he's bulletproof and 4 feet tall. Last call, yeah. The first trigger I pulled, man, it just went click. Misfire. But barrel number 2 sure did the trick. Oh, yes it did. The last call that I heard was somebody spread the word that legendary Longbeard met his match. Boys, he hammered like old John Henry. He outsmarted plenty, but he wound up on my wall, and that's a fact. Turns out that he won't bulletproof after all. Last call.
know, guys. Really, it's just barely even squatting. And I could probably fit some 35s now. It's gonna ride like crap, but definitely could manage it. It's definitely not that squatted. It's visible. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Cause I might run it like this if y'all like it. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Leave me some suggestions down in the comments below. I am up for sponsors if anybody wants to send me stuff to do to this. It's a 95 GMC Yukon. So, y'all just let me know what's up.